Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I wanted to show you the It's Alive challenge. Now, this is a project that is going to release in a couple of weeks, and when I release it, I'm going to share with you my code and some videos and walkthroughs on how to actually recreate this. But between now and then, I wanted you to have a challenge. So the challenge is, when I press a green flag, it makes it so we have our sprite here, and she runs and she kicks a ball. She's watching it, goes in, she's jumping up and down. Hooray, hurrah, awesome. Now, the reason why this is a challenge is because if you actually go into Scratch and you choose a sprite, now the sprite that I used for this was Jordan. It's under Sports, and then when you click on Jordan, but you'll notice that there are actually only 4 different costumes in Jordan. So the challenge is to figure out, how did I make it so that the sprite moved, and when the sprite moved, it used more than just those 4 costumes. So if you watch, she's running, her hair's moving up and down, she's moving her arms, she's looking, her eyes get bigger, her mouth gets bigger, she jumps up and down. So those are all costumes that are not in the original Jordan sprite. So the challenge for you is to figure out how to make it so that you can go from 4 costumes to all the different movements that you saw on this particular project. So have some fun with it, and in a couple of weeks I'll release my actual project so that way you can see how I did it. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.